Hi there, I'm Sanjay from Checkpoint Distribution. Today I'm going to be discussing the latest iPad Air that's just been released by Apple. Here it is. It's a lovely purple colour. Some key features on the iPad. It's got the latest M2 processing chip. The camera is no longer at the top now, it's on the side. And also this tablet comes in 11-inch and 13-inch. Now we're going to give it the TechPoint treatment and apply a Devia hydrogel screen protector, and we'll be using our latest Devia mini plotting machine. Just to give you a bit of a few key features, it does all tablets, it does all phones, it does wearables, it does skins as well, so it's a great machine to have. And it's got all the latest models of the latest iPads, which we're going to do now. We're just going to choose the latest iPad Air 11-inch, which is the 2024 version. And then we're going to choose with cover in case you're going to be using a tablet case as well. And it's a really good protection. So I mean, the main thing over the tempered glass is tempered glass can shatter and go into a powder form. This doesn't shatter, so that's a bit of a key feature of the hydrogel. And that's all done now. Just going to give the screen quick clean, remove the actual hydrogel from the main sheet, and now we're just going to line up the protector, and now we just do the half process of application. And then just do that. Going that way, and then just repeat the process the other side. And then we just got to remove the top layer. Then obviously just iron out the last few bubbles that are on there. That is applied. Really great. As I said, it's ultra thin, smudge proof, and that's a great protector on there. And we've also got a few more couple of products to show you as well. We've got the latest Devia pencil, which works perfectly on the latest iPad. Also, we have the Devia 30-watt plug with the C2C cable as a set. This works perfectly for the latest iPad, and also works for the latest iPhone 15 series as well. And lastly, to give it that last TechPoint protection, we've got our latest exquisite Guardian case. It's a lovely case, and then we can apply that in there. And then that's even got a ultra thin front protector as well, so it's got the double protection as well. The good thing about this case is obviously the Devia pencil can go in there and it's nice slot. It's got a hand strap, so you've got a good grip of the iPad, and it's a 360 handle there. And also you can use it as a stand, so if you're watching YouTube or videos, great things. And also it's got a lovely hand strap as well, so you can put that quite easy, and then if you're out and about, perfect accompaniment with the iPad. And that's it. Thanks very much.